A long, long time ago, around 60 million years ago, before humans walked the Earth, this planet was ruled by giants. Giants that we now call dinosaurs. These massive creatures roamed the Earth for over 180 million years. Welcome back to another National TV video. Today we're diving into the past to uncover the world of these majestic beasts. Scientists have discovered more than 900 fossils linked to various species of dinosaurs. At the peak of the Jurassic period, it's estimated that over 400 billion dinosaurs once roamed Earth. That's over 40 core dinosaurs. When we talk about species that lived and died before humans, their remains, their structure, or anything that indicates their presence is called a fossil. The first fossil was discovered in Norway by workers drilling in the Snorre oil field. This fossil was buried 2,250 meters deep beneath the seabed. After millions of years, it becomes challenging for fossils to retain their original form. In most cases, fossils turn into oil, which we process and use as fuel. However, sometimes we find bits and pieces of their bones. If we're lucky, we may even find an entire skeleton. When we search for dinosaurs on Google, we see a long list of species. These species are linked to fossils we found in different places. By piecing together these fragments and examining their footprints, scientists have made educated guesses about how these creatures looked, how they walked, and what they ate. But we've never found a fossil in its original form, until now. In 2011, a man named Sean Funk was operating an excavator in a mine in Canada. This 200-foot deep excavation was being done for the Suncor Millennium Mine in the Alberta province. It was around 2:30 p.m., and the excavation was progressing smoothly. The soil was soft, so the excavator didn't need much force. But then something strange happened. As Sean pushed down on the soil, he felt resistance, and upon closer inspection, he saw a peculiar pattern buried in the ground. Circles surrounded by dark brown clay. Like anyone would, Sean stopped to take a closer look. He called his supervisor, and soon the whole team gathered around the strange discovery. The moment of truth came when Dr. Donald Henderson from the Royal Tyrrell Museum arrived on site. Dr. Henderson, who had years of experience studying prehistoric fossils, immediately recognized the importance of this find. At first, he assumed it might be the fossil of a plesiosaurus, a creature whose fossils had already been found in the Alberta region. But he had no idea that this fossil would change his life forever. Around 80 million years ago, the area where this fossil was found was submerged under the ocean. The plesiosaurus lived here and died, sinking to the ocean floor, hence the large number of plesiosaurus fossils discovered in the region.